Alright everybody, I will now teach you how to generate articles using Journalist AI. And once you get to your dashboard and you log in, you will see these four article types here. We have, as of now, the SEO article, the AI news article, the Amazon product review article, and the YouTube to blog post article. Let's start by generating an SEO article. And to do this, you have to click here on SEO article, and it will now ask us for two inputs, the SEO keyword and the title, which is optional. Okay, so the SEO keyword is the keyword that will guide the AI on what will your article talk about. Okay, so imagine we want to generate an article about healthy lifestyle. We just add the keyword here. Now for the title, if you want to be super specific and have a super tailored article, you can input and specify the exact title you want for the article. But if you don't have any ideas, you can also leave it in blank, and the AI will generate the title on itself based on this SEO keyword. So this is completely optional. Now, if you want to generate more than one, you should click here on Add New, and another line will come up where you do exactly the same thing, the SEO keyword and the title, right? In this case, I will only generate one article. Also, if you want to do this in bulk and upload a big list of keywords, you can also click here on Import and upload your own keyword list from an Excel sheet. Okay, this is also possible, but let's stick with the healthy lifestyle article. Okay, once we are done with this, we're gonna click here on Add Keywords, and this will redirect us to the default campaign. Okay, let me just delete this example so you guys don't get confused. All right, here we have our input. Okay, and now I will teach you how to customize this article and how to configure this article. And to do this, you need to click here on Article Preferences, right? And you will start by setting the language of the article. So you can do this by clicking here on Global Article Preferences. We're gonna update the preferences and choose the language of the article. In this case, I want to generate in English, and for the secondary language, I want another version in Spanish and a version in French. All right, so once my article is generated, it will also generate a Spanish version and also a French version. So let's save these configurations here, the global article preferences for the language, and we will keep customizing the article, right? So to access the whole list of configurations for the SEO article, you need to click here on SEO article preferences, and we will update these preferences. Here you can set things such as the target country, the tone of voice. You even have advanced options where you can, for example, include keywords or add more context to this article, right? And if you keep changing the tabs, you will see a whole lot more customization options. You can input your sitemap to have internal links. You can define a call to action. All right, so I suggest you exploring all these customization options. I can also set the number of images. I can even change the image provider. Okay, so here you can completely customize your article. Once you are done with these customizations, you just click Save. Okay, and the article that we want to generate will be ready, right? So we click here on Generate Article, and that's how you generate an SEO article. Now, regarding the other article types, okay, you can also generate an AI news article. All right, and for this, you just search for a story. Let's say you want a news article about Bitcoin. We just type Bitcoin on our search query, and we can search for stories. Okay, so it's loading, it's pulling out actual, factual, and recent news about Bitcoin. So it takes a few seconds, and here we have Bitcoin surges above $96,000 amid inflation data. So let's generate an article about this story and maybe about this story as well. So we just click Add. Okay, you can see that two stories were added, and we will click Add Articles. Now, this will also take us to the same default campaign, all right? We can see that here in the inputs you have these two stories because the other one about healthy lifestyle transformation is being generated right now. So here we have these two news stories, all right? If we want to generate these news articles, we just, let's select both. We want to generate both. And you click here if you want to generate both, or if you want to just generate one of them, you can click here on generate article. Okay, so this is how you generate AI news articles. For the other types, it's also very simple. Okay, for the Amazon, you just need to paste here an Amazon product URL, and you will also be redirected to that default campaign where you can generate the article. And for the YouTube to blog post, you also paste a link here. I have one saved, so let me use this one. You add the video, okay? You will take you now to your to your default campaign, and we can generate an article based on this video. So yeah, this is how you generate single articles on Journalist AI.